I'm Ingvar Andersson. I'm a lecturer at Lund University. I'm retired from the UN system, where I worked as a senior water policy advisor at the UNP headquarters in New York. And I've also been the head of SIDA, Sweden International Development Authority's support to water programs in Africa, Asia and Latin America. So I'm an old-timer in the sector. I started 40 years ago working on rural water supply in Tanzania. The first lesson from that experience is that technology can be a very difficult issue to address. We worked on gravity schemes, pumps, engines, big tanks and water towers, and due to maintenance and operation problems, many of these schemes failed. Then I was actively involved in search for alternatives, and the hand pump appeared as the solution to all our problems. But as we implemented hand pump programs, we realized actually we run into exactly the same problems with the hand pump programs as with the gravity and pump schemes. The operation, maintenance didn't function the way we expected it to do. So then the issue of the involvement of the users became the big issue to address. And also a slowly growing recognition that actually people have water. Very silly statement to make, but people do have water systems in place. Villages have lived in the same place for generations and managed to survive. They obviously have sustainable water supply systems in their traditions. So why should you then not start from that point of departure? To properly look at what is the existing water supply system in the village, and then you can look at it, what are the ways and means of improving it in terms of quality, quantity, availability and affordability. And this we have tried to apply, specifically maybe in a program called HESAWA in Tanzania. HESAWA stands for Health, Education, Sanitation and Water. And there was a growing recognition that traditional water sources could be the point of departure. But a big obstacle was the central government, who was very fixed to engineering solutions to the problem. Another problem was actually consultants coming from the north, trained to solve problems in the engineering way, and they to some extent also became an obstacle. So there it shows that if you work with indigenous technologies, you also have to rely a lot on local resources and not import knowledge trying to fix the problem, because this is a long-term development. It's an issue of getting the community and households responsible for their own development and not to rush the issue.